Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to lock the phone without pressing the power button. So let me show you. You can see the device is locked without using the power button. So let me show you how to enable this one. Okay. So simply go to the settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option advanced features. Tap on this one. Tap on motions and gestures. So here you can see the option double tap to turn off screen. Now this is enabled. You can say double tap an empty space of the home screen or lock screen. The device will locked. Now this is enabled. Let me show you. Just make a double tap on the empty space of the home screen. You can see the device is locked without using any power button or anything. So simply in this way, so this is the way to lock a phone without pressing the power button. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.